So we added Dottie back to the crew this morning to see, and we made their space a little bit bigger. We're in the process of building their new enclosure, which is right here. It's gonna be double the length of those, so 2 sections. We're doing about, it's gonna be about 16, 17 feet long, and then 8 feet wide. And then we'll have all 4 of these guys in the same enclosure, hopefully, as long as things go well today. Over here by the food bowls, that's Dottie. We named her Dottie. These other guys, we haven't named them yet. We're still deciding, but we believe we got 2 boys and 2 girls. And for some reason, they're all tormenting each other a lot this week. But Dottie's been by herself for the past few weeks because these guys are mean to her. But, see, I'm not quite sure what to do. I'm thinking about adding one more pool in here because they're not letting her in either one of these pools.